Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and join Shein affiliate program. So, for those who doesn't know what is Shein, it is going to be a platform that will be made for selling clothes, accessories, and all type of apparels and clothings. So they have been well known for their cheap prices and also moderate quality overall. So if you're going to be interested in making money or making commission within Shein, it is going to be very easy. You're going to head or make at least a sign up for the original platform, which is going to be Shein. So you're going to register in here, and then you're going to have an account in here. After that, you're going to type in on Google Shein affiliate program. So it is going to be here a separate port for the Shein. So how you can sign up and join the affiliate program. When you head over affiliate or Shein affiliate program, you're going to see this tutorial on how it works, your benefits, your customer benefits, and how to join. So basically, depending on the country that you're going to be in, you're going to have in here the access for the sign up. You're going to click on sign up, and then you're going to follow up the specific steps that you're going to see. Now, what are we going to do basically is to see what do we are going to or what are we going to benefit with. So we can get a $5 reward for as a welcome gift, also a first gift or referral first, and we are going to get up to 20% commission per order by a new or an existing user. So you're going to click on this QR code or scan this QR code with your mobile device, and it is going to take you to the platform that you're going to download your Shein app from. So basically, it is going to be a mobile only version. So you're going to download your app and then you can go ahead and sign up and start earning your commission. So it is going to be very easy. You're going to have like every affiliate marketing or affiliate program, a code and a link. You're going to have a link generator, and that link is going to be shared within the social media or post on social media. You're going to see that you're going to have affiliate in here, and then you're going to have everything set up. So as much as you're going to find clients that they are going to buy some stuff within Shein using your code or your link, you're going to gain commissions. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.